Come over here. Come over here.
I don't have any gun. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me right.
All right, I see it.
But she just went to jail for stabbing.
A woman, a man, a residential address in Ohio, September. Hai mươi tám, 2025.
Come over here. Come over here.
I don't have any gun. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me. She stabbed me right.
All right, I see it.
But she just went to jail for stabbing me.
Come over here. Come over here. Have a seat here. Have a
No.
seat. Have a seat.
The case is over with.
There's a girl in the white.
Yes, it is. The girl in the white. Bet I'll press charges this time.
I'm about to
All right.
too. I am too.
I didn't knock out your windows.
You ain't supposed to be nowhere.
What happened?
I live here.
No, start from scratch.
The scratch. She threw my food. I come in the house.
I'm hearing you.
I bring the food, bro. She get the tripping, saying about another girl. I said, when? She said, bitch, you know when? Da, 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 da. What? Me and her brother got to fighting in the front of the hall because she like, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. She throwing. I said her brother.
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Her brother.
Yeah.
We got to fight.
Okay.
Once we was tussling right here, she get on me, get the stabbing.
Okay.
Got the stabbing. I got in the car. Pulled off. My phone broke, so I couldn't call police instantly. Because if you see, like, it's like, I can't text. I really can't
I see the
text.
phone. It's
I
broken.
really can't
Okay.
text. So I just keep on trying to call the police. She stabbed me, bro. Like, this ain't that. She just got
Okay.
off. She just went to jail for stabbing me. Bro, I'm not lying, bro. Look.
Wait.
Look.
Safe for the 32.
Hey, if she said I shot 5 times.
Hey, Sarge.
If she said I shot 5 times, it's gonna be shells out here. It's gonna be shells out here. I didn't shoot at all, bro. I swear to God. I don't even have a weapon to shoot.
Okay. Where's your car?
I walk around here.
Okay. Where's the Ford Escape?
It's gone.
What do you mean?
What you mean? I just got out. She only dropped me off. I live here. Look, she just beat her case, bro.
Who
She
left?
just beat her case.
So you didn't fire any gunshots anywhere?
Man, you will see cases out here, bro. I'm not lying to you, bro. I'm not lying. Swear to God on my life. She mad. Me and her get into it. Me and him get to fighting. In the front yard. I said, I'm going to throw a brick through her yard. I threw her front yard. Because I'm like, what the f? She threw my food out. I'm like, what the fuck? I just bought her breakfast and everything. I swear to God, too. I just bought breakfast for her. She threw that shit right out. Like, what? Oh, I was with Destiny. What?
Okay.
Destiny? I swear to God, I wasn't with Destiny.
So you got... Okay, so you started fighting her brother.
No, he started trying to fight me because whatever his sister, get him, da 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 da, get him, da da da. That's her brother.
Yeah.
I understand that, but
Okay.
I'm like,
Just right here in this one.
I didn't do anything.
Is there anything on his back at all?
The door always open for me. I got mail that come here and everything.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's just like,
Okay, so you're saying that she stabbed you while you were fighting with brother?
yes, when we was just basically just on the ground.
Where's the knife at
Because
now?
I slipped. I don't know. She just ran. But look, I swear to God, she just beat her case. She's just
Okay,
on
okay.
GPS.
I get it.
She stabbed me right here.
No, I
This
get
ain't
it.
the first time.
Okay.
Swear to God, it ain't. But you stabbing me, bro? Huh, man? Hell no.
All right, and so just so I'm trying to get a full scope here, did you cause any damage to any of the house?
Nope.
You said you threw a brick at her?
That's
At her,
where that
house?
That's where that brick. You see that thing up there? I missed the window. I ain't gonna lie to you. I missed the window
Okay.
because he had jumped on me for no reason.
Is that the only place I hear?
That's the only thing I saw so far, and it skinned up knee.
They all family though. They gonna all take up for each other. But guess what? She just went to jail for stabbing me.
Do you think that was a stab or a slice?
No, she stabbed.
Stab. Did you have to pull it out?
No, because me and him was on the ground right there. Me and him was on the ground.
Leave this call open. Put me on force call.
She broke my phone though, like, I'm like, what did my phone got to do with it? I didn't put my hands on nobody. All I did is just came in and tried to lay down.
In Illinois versus Gates, decided in 1983, the Supreme Court held that probable cause is the totality of circumstances, a stab wound, a consistent victim statement, and 2 independent neighbors satisfied that standard. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.11, felonious assault requires serious physical harm by a deadly weapon. A knife is a deadly weapon. Every element was met.
Next time, hey, come up over here.
Hi.
Hi.
Did you hear any gunshots here a little bit ago?
I just woke up.
Okay. Is there anybody else here that would have been awake? No. Okay. Was that you that peeked your head out the window a little bit ago?
No, that was my sister. But we just woke up.
Okay.
At that time, we
Yeah,
just woke up. And no, we didn't hear it. We just started hearing them yelling, and then we looked out the window. And the police officer and him was sitting in our
Okay.
yard.
You didn't hear anything that led up to that though? Okay. All right. Thank you.
You woke up.
Were you awake a little bit ago?
I woke up when y'all pulled up here, but I would have my window right there. I would have heard it. All I heard was, she stabbed me. She stabbed me.
That's all I heard. That's what even woke us up.
All right.
I feel like we would have heard a gunshot.
We would have heard a gunshot
talking.
before a stab. And she did. It more so sounded like she was the one being crazy. She went through his phone. Y'all know, say if I go through she going through his phone, she probably done seen some shit and probably went crazy.
How'd you know that part?
I heard yelling.
No, that's what I said. When they start yelling,
that's when we heard.
After that, we ain't
I think you were in his phone.
Huh?
Are you in his phone?
Hell no. Old ass.
That's how she knows it's somebody's in there.
He like it's some new neighbors.
But no, for real, I didn't hear no gunshots at all or nothing like that. It was no gun. I would have woke up if I would have called y'all if I heard a gunshot. But it was no gunshot.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He made mention that there was an incident before where he got stabbed. Who got arrested at that time?
I did.
Okay. All right.
Y'all done with me?
For now.
Okay.
Yeah. Which house did the dog go into? Do you know?
This one where that
White?
that focus.
Oh, the brick?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Sade, do me a favor. You gotta drop that off.
What?
The phone.
This?
Yeah. You would just put it in there for me. Alright. I need you to put your hands behind. Okay. Put your hands together.
Let me have your mouth.
Just put it together.
41
Yeah, we talked to the
Montgomery County now.
for the city.
Back over on Perfect. You want to
What
grab
everybody
that
said and
before you go to
what
jail or after
happened.
you go to jail?
She said that she wanted you to get arrested for that. So do you want
Oh, they're all going to the same
Who wanted you to get arrested?
Iowa. I'm on the highway now.
for the
Coming
city,
up
the attorneys.
to Howell. So I'll just get that. And I'll just stay right by there.
She had been arrested for stabbing this same man before and beaten the charge. Prior acts between the same parties prove intent and absence of mistake, not character. Before arrest, she admitted directing her brother to assault the victim. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, decided.
Yeah, and we told her all of that, and it was really articulate with what we saw and what was said, and this is the decision that she made. And then once we do that, it's out of our hands. Because they basically dictate what we do from a legal perspective. Right?
That ain't even my fault.
You seems like you got something in your bra there.
Oh.
Yeah, what's she got? What is that? Can you go with your mom to get it?
Yeah.
A couple things.
Looks like another phone. Over here.
A pack of cigarettes. Tell me she shouldn't have. Oh my God. Can you not make this your purse? I can't get
Bet
it.
you'd have to carry your
purse
purse.
down there.
Goodness. Okay, if there's something that we don't find before you go to county, that changes things a lot. So I just want to give you an opportunity to let us know if you got anything on you. No weed or nothing?
What's going on with that?
No.
Oh.
Is there a way I can put my
I'm talking to you.
We're not allowed to.
What happened? Yeah.
Puff that a couple more times, and then we gotta throw it out. Okay.
Yeah, I'll give it to my mom.
What'd you say?
Yeah, I'll give it to my mom and put it on the porch.
Yeah.
They're not taking him to jail?
No.
Why is he not going to jail, but I'm going to jail? Did the lady say why she wanted me in jail and not him?
Well, we basically provided the attorney with statements that was given from both you guys. A statement that was, you know, all the statements we compiled from everybody.
And I got witnesses, though.
So they have to be independent. Do you know what that means? So independent witness is somebody that doesn't have ties to you, doesn't have ties to him. So like somebody walking their dog, or like you know, a neighbor, or you know, somebody that you know, like your family member would not be considered an independent witness because.
How not? And it happened to my brother.
What do you mean?
That's what all this stuff happened for, because him and my brother got to fighting because he had a gun that he was about to hit me with. Shooting a gun in the air and not even going to jail for it.
So we were not able to find any evidence, including talking to neighbors, that there were ever any gunshots that occurred. We couldn't find shell casings. We couldn't find neighbors that heard gunshots. I mean, the other officer that was on this call, my sergeant, was not far away when this call came out.
They drove off with that gun. She had a gun too. He was telling her to shoot me, and it was crazy.
Did you said that you got out of pretrial release. Were you convicted of domestic violence or no?
Yes.
Convicted? I know you were charged. Do you know the difference?
No.
Okay. I'll look it up.
Convicted means served time.
Convicted means like the final ruling of the case.
Well, that case is closed now, so I did have an M1 domestic violence.
And so you were convicted? Okay.
I'll always be the one to go to jail after he come messing with me, though. That is
Part 10 police. The previous domestic violence you had was with him?
Yes. It's going to keep happening with any female you be with.
So, I would say that if there's a protection order in place, I mean, so like I ran everybody's info and there's not currently a protection order in place.
Not even for my mom. My mom still thinks she's got hers.
Yeah, so that needs to be reinstated.
Yes.
The best you can, if possible.
Yes, I definitely want one. That's why he on probation now, because we got into it. He hit me for no fucking reason, and I had to call the police.
How many times has this occurred? Because you said
with
you
the
went
police.
to jail. You said you went to jail for one, right?
Mhm.
And that was with him.
Yes.
And then he went to jail for one.
Yeah. Before I did, he did.
Before you did, okay.
All y'all got to do is look him up. Y'all gonna see he got a track record of domestic violence.
In 1984, pre-arrest scene statements are not custodial interrogation. They are admissible. She claimed the victim fired 5 shots. No shell casings. No witnesses. No corroboration. The claim had no evidentiary support. Felony domestic violence triggers mandatory arrest under state statute. Officer discretion is removed by law. No protection order was active at the time of the incident. In a repeat violence household, a lapsed order is the endem.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and step out. Step on up here. Thank you, sir. Good.